Hi friends, today I'm going to make one brinjal ka sabji. I'll show you. So I'll show you from the scratch. This is my small kitchen garden. First I'm plucking brinjal from my tree. I think that's more than enough. And one thing I want to tell you, I have not used any store-bought chemical fertilizer. All are from my kitchen waste. You can also do it with the eggshells, tea leaves, ginger, peels, potato peels, onion peels. You should cut it in shreds, dry it, powder it, and then spray it. And for insects and ants, I have used baking soda and haldi powder. So let's go inside my house and start my cooking. So we have come inside. Let's start with our recipe of bharwa began. Let me show you the ingredients first. I have cut the began brinjal like this. Now let me show you how to cut it. Chop it off a little from here. Then cut it like this, this, and this, so that you can stuff properly. Now I have brushed a little bit of oil, salt and haldi powder and kept it ready for frying. See, I will be using my homegrown tomatoes. I will cut it into small pieces. And I have used two medium-sized onions. 1 teaspoonful of ginger paste. Now cumin seeds. This is coriander, not seeds, sorry. This is cumin powder, coriander powder, haldi powder and mirchi powder. These are all 1 teaspoon. And this is half teaspoon and this is 1/4 teaspoon. Garam masala I will be using 1 teaspoon. And as usual, sugar and salt according to your taste. I've taken a non-stick pan, so I will be using only 1 teaspoonful of oil. If this you take full, then it becomes 1 tablespoon. So I have taken 1 teaspoon. Because many people are really scared कि brinjal बहुत तेल खाते हैं. It's not like that. If you use a non-stick, doesn't matter. So I'll keep it for warming. My oil is hot. Now I'll be frying like this. You must have noticed the frying pan, the oil generally goes to the sides. So prefer to fry the sides only. See, I am frying in that oil only. तो उतना कम तेल में ही आप कर सकते हो. So for last, it will take time. आप पूरा deep fry करोगे तो it will finish within 2 minutes. But already 5 minutes have passed. I'm frying it now. I think it will take another 3 minutes. So I'll cover it again. हो गया. मैं अभी उठा के रख रही हूँ. Because it has to cool down. नहीं तो मैं भर नहीं सकती. मेरा हाथ जल जाएगा. I have learned this beautiful recipe when I was in Allahabad, UP में this is a hit recipe. Now comes the next step. वो अंदर का स्टफिंग तैयार करूँगी. So I'll give you another spoonful of oil. Now I'll be adding 5 foron. Now here there are 5 types. There are fennel seeds, nigella seeds, methi, sada jeera. So this gives a nice aroma. If you don't have, because generally this is a typical bong thing, so if you don't have, you can use a bit of rye and sada jeera. That is also okay. After that, I will be adding the onion. I have used 2 small onions. I'll fry it for 2 minutes. And वो जो बैगन हमने कम तेल में फ्राई किया, it took me 10 minutes. And because I wanted to do it in little oil. आप ज़्यादा तेल में बनाओगे तो आप वो 3-4 मिनट में कर सकते हो. But आजकल तो सभी they are very health conscious. That's why I have shown you how to cook in less oil. After frying the onion for 2 minutes, I will be adding the garlic and ginger. Then add the tomatoes. Here I have deliberately taken green tomatoes and only one small red tomato क्योंकि ऑलरेडी मैं इसमें आमचूर यूज़ करूँगी. तो आमचूर यूज़ करने से और टमाटर भी आप ज़्यादा डालोगे तो बहुत ज़्यादा खट्टा हो जाएगा. I'm adding little half teaspoon of oil because I will be adding the masalas now. Haldi, mirchi, धनिया, जीरा, आमचूर and salt. Mix it properly. यही स्टफिंग का मसाला बनेगा. ज़्यादा भी मत पकाइए क्योंकि मैं माइक्रो में फिर और 5 मिनट वो स्टफिंग भर के माइक्रो में पकाऊंगी तो ऑटोमेटिकली पक जाएगा. एंड इफ़ यू कुक इट ओवर कुक इट देन सॉगीनेस आ जाएगा. Lastly, I'll put some ghee and 1 spoon of garam masala powder. I'm switching off the gas. It's done. Now I'll wait for cooling down because I have to fill it inside the brinjal. Now it has cooled down, so I will be putting the stuffing and giving it in the micro. So for that micro bowl, brush oil in this. Brush it nicely. अब बैगन को ऐसा लीजिए and stuff it. Don't overstuff it also. 2 spoon is good enough. और कुछ बच भी जाएगा ना तो आप वो साइड पे दे दीजिएगा. Close it and put it like this. Take another one. 1, 2. close it and put it like this. Stuff it nicely, press it from the side and place it like this. Now this is ready to go in the micro. और जो भी बचा कुचा रहेगा, give it in the side like this. ज़्यादा भी हो, मेरा ज़्यादा बचा नहीं है, but आपको ज़्यादा भी हो तो टेंशन बिल्कुल मत लीजिएगा. Just put it like this. Now I will put inside my micro. Place it like this and put a lid. In high 100%, I'll give it for 5 minutes. It is almost done. I need to take it out. Now it is ready to serve. होप हमारे भरवा बैगन आपको बहुत अच्छा लगा होगा. आप रोटी या पराठे के साथ जम के खाइए and wait for my next recipe.